This is the story of Fast Break Prizm, who cried a river and drowned the whole world. While we randomize in photographs, absolutely love her when she smiles. How could it happen to me? 5 times, here we go. Team on top, person 1. Team on bottom, person 30. It's pretty simple. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 times with the Portland Trailblazers on top, the Cleveland Cavaliers on bottom. That is 5 times. That's very nice. Here we go. Hornets fell in spot. Who knows? They are in spot 27 to Siu Hung W. Congratulations. Let's do this thing. Build Boba. Oh. UFC has not been yet, Michael. That's in about 20 minutes' time. I just smashed my knee. I don't think I could be a teacher. Man, the Boba Fett helmet's real fun. That's one that actually is good. Iverson Teague. 10 of 10 auto. Fast break gold. Thaddeus Young for the Bulls. Who's Cade got? Spot 15. The Denver Nuggets, not a bad team. Downtown James Harden and Dirk Nowitzki. Shamdog, Langston Galloway. For the Knicks, Obi Toppin. It's a variation. It is, variation. Fireworks, Trae Young, Andrew Wiggins. Especially if it's variation. That's it, man. Or some of their nice rookies like RJ or MPJ. RJ or Najee. Joe, just lots of J sounds. Tyler Bay, Silver Marquise Chris. My back's aching, my brows do that. Udoka for the Jazz. A Paul Millsap disco for the Nuggets. PJ Washington. What is for dinner tonight? Had a little snack earlier. And for the Suns, pink Ricky Rubio. That'll be the 50. 42 or 50. Ricky Rubio. Butler and Curry. Michael Porter Jr. Jeez, not too bad here. Kate picking up some nice little variants here and there. James Wiseman. Nice. That is the base. A D'Angelo Russell Fireworks. Josh Jackson. That's not the Wiseman base. Does the variation not say variation on it? Oh, jeez, that's not a good question. Ignore me. Widescreen, Luka Doncic. Jeez, this has been very good so far. Yeah, and one with him reaching it to the sky, yeah? Oh, there you go. I didn't know that. Blue, Langston Galloway, numbered to 175. Darius Baisley, Kemba Walker. High school. The best 7 years of my life. John Collins. Red, Christian Wood. Number 2125. Daniel Thies, Miles Bridges. Reckon you should get a sauteed vegetables with guacamole burrito bowl from GYD. Oh. CJ Ellaby. No, you don't, Justin Bieber fan. Miles Turner. Goran Dragic and Goran Dragic. No, Tabby and I have pretty much evened up on the shouts, I think. And I've deleted all the Uber Eats from my phone so I don't keep using it. Desmond Byrne. Downtown, Kyrie Irving. Disco. Oh, cards and collectibles. Emmanuel Quickly, rookie. Nice. Josh Richardson. John Clarkson. Skylar Mays. Purple for the Heat of Jay Crowder. I know for a fact I haven't done a typical Sluggers break grading. You ain't going to trick me. Now I know why Grading's always testing me. He's a teacher. He's probably trying to figure out why I'm so silly. Oh, LeBron James base. Nice. Hey, P. How you doing, buddy? Isaiah Stewart. Ja Morant Fearless. And Steph Curry base. Nice as well. JJ Barea. Kendrick Nunn. Killian Hayes. Wendell Carter Jr. and Dwight Howard. Yeah, I was about to say, is it because the students are awful? No, I'm joking. Yes, Cantor Blue for the Pelicans, Kira Lewis Jr. Oh, thank you, AP. You know me. 2175, how are you? Vince Carter, Derek White. Come on, you would be giving it back to the students. I do not believe that for a second. Zeller, Vernon Carey Jr., Cole Anthony, and Obi Toppin, rookie, with the discotheque. Very nice, and that is that. For fast